Thanks for watching this installment of the Rollbar Tip of the Day video series. Today we're going to be looking at the auto-resolve capabilities. So this is a project level setting. Each project will have its own auto-resolve settings. And within a project, it's actually going to be an environment level selection. So each environment in a project will have its own settings here. So the two versions of auto-resolve that we have are auto-resolve on deploy and the inactive items timer. So toggling the on deploy setting, this is just going to toggle every item into the resolved state when a deploy is made in that environment. So with it being in a resolved state and not muted, then any new occurrences will reactivate that item, will retrigger it back into the active state. And with the inactive items timer here, you're basically just setting a threshold, and if an item has not occurred within that amount of time, then it will automatically be resolved there as well. So again, anything that does reoccur will be reactivated through the typical Rollbar item status workflow. And these settings help to keep your main items menu decluttered. And when you're taking advantage of deploy tracking, you also have that as a line item here in your main items overview. So with the auto resolve on deploy setting, you can assume that anything that shows up after a deploy, so this is in temporal order, anything that we see above this deploy here would have occurred since that was made. So this tells us, this is probably the item group that we want to focus on the most, and anything below that has not happened since we made changes to the code.